Hello and welcome to another video of my tutorial series, How to Make Proofreading Less Boring. We're looking at style inconsistencies and how to make correcting them faster and easier. So let's check this file's page numbers. This document has 3 sections and the page numbers restart at 1 in each section. What we want to do is to continue the numbering from the previous section so that page 4 says 4 and so on. If you're following along, double-click inside the footer and press the previous and next buttons in the header and footer tab to jump to each section. These sections have a different first page setting switched on. All this means is that the cursor will move from page 1 of section 1 to page 2 of section 1, and then it will move to the next section. It will then move from page 1 of section 2 to page 2 of section 2, and so on. Let's make this more simple and switch off the different first page setting. And now the buttons will just jump to the first page of each section. This makes checking the footer faster than pressing the page up or down keys. You can skip several pages and reset the page numbers. Select and right-click the first incorrect page number and choose Format Page Numbers from the shortcut menu. Change the page numbering setting to Continue from Previous Section and press OK. Press the Next button to move on to the next section and repeat the last 2 steps. That's how you make this process faster using Word's built-in features. Now there is another way to jump to the first page of each section, and that's by clicking the section number in the status bar. You'll need to turn this on. Right-click the status bar and check Section. This does work on a Mac as well. In the Go To dialog box, make sure Section on the left is selected and press the previous or next buttons. Now the problem with this is every time you press these buttons, the header and footer area closes, so you have to open it up again to edit the footer, and that's why I don't recommend this option. Would you like to make this process even faster? We're going to use a macro to speed this up. Just like in the previous video, this will be beginner friendly, and you can just copy the text that's in the video notes. Once you've copied it, do the following. Go back into Word and press the Alt and F11 keys together. At the top left of the new window, you'll see the word Normal. If, like me, you can see a folder called Modules and a file underneath it, double-click on that file. If you can't see a Modules folder, right-click on the word Normal and choose Insert, then Module from the shortcut menu. It will probably be called Module 1 or end with another number, which is fine. In the empty space on the right, paste the text you've copied. And that's it. All you have to do is click anywhere inside the code between the first word sub and the last sub, and then press the F5 key or press this green play button. Let's have a final look at the page numbers as they are. And now I'm going to move this window to the side so you can clearly see the page number here. I'll put the cursor anywhere in the code and then press F5. All done. Let's check all the page numbers in the document. Yes, they're all correct now. This will save me a lot of time if I want to do this in very long documents. You can now press this Save button if you want to reuse this code in future. Now you don't have to come back to this window to reuse it. You can access it via a keyboard shortcut or via the Macros button in the View tab. I've put a link in the corner to a video showing you how to do this. Again, both ways are quick and easy. Of course, there are other things to check when proofreading page numbers, such as seeing if they're in all sections and pages of your file. So if you're interested in using VBA Code to speed up your proofreading, but you want someone to write or change the code for you, book an online call with me and I can write this for you. You can visit my website to arrange this.